Welcome to this tutorial on how to rename a presentation in Google Drive. If you've ever created a presentation and left it with the default title, you know how important it is to give it a proper name for easy access later. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to rename your presentation quickly and efficiently. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Take a moment to locate the presentation you want to rename. This is usually straightforward. Just scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top if you have many presentations. Next, once you've found the desired presentation, click on the three dots next to it. This action will open a menu that provides several options related to that file. Look for the option that says Rename and click on it. Now it's time to change the name. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to type in your new title. Make sure to enter a name that reflects the content of your presentation so you can easily identify it later. Once you've typed in your new name, click on Rename again to save your changes. And just like that, your presentation is renamed. Remember that any changes you make are automatically saved in Google Drive, ensuring that your new title will be there whenever you need it. In summary, renaming a presentation in Google Drive is a simple process. Open the app, find your file, click on the three dots, select Rename, enter your new title, and confirm by clicking Rename once more. This quick adjustment not only helps keep your files organized, but also makes it easier for you and others to find specific presentations when needed. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive effectively. Happy presenting!